Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Email campaign management is like conducting an orchestra. A conductor is responsible for directing a variety of instruments to create a harmonious symphony. In much the same way, an email campaign manager brings together a range of elements to create a successful email marketing campaign. From crafting compelling subject lines to segmenting your email list, they must ensure each piece is in tune and on time. The conductor must also communicate with each musician to ensure they are playing their part correctly. It's much like when an email campaign manager needs to monitor the performance of each email to ensure it's hitting its mark. So, just as a conductor brings together the diverse elements of an orchestra to create a beautiful melody, an email campaign manager must bring together various aspects of email marketing to create a successful campaign that resonates with the audience.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.